Afrobeat news. So guys, here let's talk about this one. So the one and only Davido 001 himself recently performed at the 50th PFA Awards in the UK. And guys, here is very major news. In case you don't know what the PFA is, the PFA stands for the Professional Footballers Association Award. So this is a worldwide, well-recognized award given to footballers from different parts of the globe. So guys, here very exciting one about the video coming up. And guys, in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as drop a comment and stay tuned for more Afrobeat related entertainment and gist coming at you. So following Davido's iconic performance at last year's World Cup in Qatar, Davido have continued in that step by performing this time as the 50th Professional Footballers Association Award, and this took place in the Lowry Theatre in Manchester today. Very exciting one, guys, for Davido fan base. So guys, here without more talking about, I'm going to show you guys a clip of the one and only Davido thrilling football stars from all across the world with two of his major anthems right now, the Unavailable song as well as the Champions Act. Guys, what do you think about this particular one? Davido out here giving these world-renowned footballers some thrilling performance. And guys, you may not forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and stay tuned for more Afrobeat related entertainment and just coming at you. For now, guys, peace.